This is my first time trying a Korean corn dog. So a Korean corn dog has half of the skewer with mozzarella cheese and the second half with the hot dog or sausage. It's a bit of a mess to eat. I just grabbed a sausage or a hot dog and I sliced it in half. And then I also grabbed mozzarella cheese and made that into a stick. Grabbed a skewer, poked it through the sausage and then through the cheese. I also diced up a potato and put that on the boil. As the potato was cooked, I made the batter. In a small bowl, I added warm milk, sugar, yeast, oil, and 1 egg. I gave that a whisk, and in another bowl, I added all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, along with your yeast mixture. And then you just want to give this a whisk, and you might want to adjust the flour with the milk because you want it to be really sticky so it clings on to the hot dog and the skewer as you rotate it. So after you coat the skewer, you want to cover this with your diced potatoes, and then you want to pat this down with panko breadcrumbs. Lastly, just deep fry this at 350 until it's nice and golden brown. Top it off with, you don't want to use ketchup because that's obviously the worst. So you can use some hot sauce, Kewpie mayo, and that's pretty much it. It may be on par with a hot dog, but the only downside is the ratio between the cheese and the meat is just way off. There's too much cheese. I'm not into eating a lot of cheese at one time. And maybe we can space out the cheese with the beef a bit more, or maybe even just only beef. I wouldn't even need the cheese at that point. I really like the toppings. So I would give a Korean corn dog a 8.4 out of 10.